Good morning students. Today we are going to see chapter 5, that is multiples. Today we are going to see exercise 5a. So read the heading. First find six multiples of each of these numbers and then find the common multiples. Finally find the LCM. Here we are going to do three processes. One is we are going to find multiples, then we are going to find CM, that is common multiples. At last we are going to find lowest common multiples. See here, multiples of 6. First sum 6, 9. So first one, multiple of 6. 6 table you know already. So 6, 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24, 5 6 are 30, 6 6 are 36. You just write the tables. Up to 6 is enough because they are asking first find 6 multiples alone. So you just write up to 6 times. So like that, multiples of 9. 1 9s are 9, 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27, 4 9s are 36, 5 9s are 45, 6 9s are 54. This is one process. Next we are going to find common multiple. So which is common multiple here? 18, then 36. This two number is common multiples. At last, among these two number, which one is lowest? Which one is lowest common multiple? 18 is lowest common multiples. That is smallest number. That's it. So that's all. See next D sum. Here they given three numbers. So as usual, multiples of 3. So 3 table you just write up to 6 times. Then multiple of 2. Write the 2 tables up to 6, multiples of 4. So 4 tables, write up to 6 times. Then we are going to select which one is common for 3 numbers. See here, 12 alone common. So common multiples is 12. So obviously, the 12 is lowest common multiple. That is 12. That is the answer. So next, third one, these numbers have already been factorized for you. Find the LCM of the pair given. So here they have already given the prime factorization. So you no need to find the prime factorization. See here 8. For 8 they have given 2 multiple 2 multiple 2. This is questions. They already given. So before we see sum, better watch D sum. See here 16, 10. So write the 16. So what is the prime factorization? This is they have given question itself. You just see the question and write the factorization. Then for 10 they have given 2 multiple 5. So you just find which one is common, which one is uncommon. See here 2 alone is common. So write the common factor and also you should write uncommon factor also. This is very important. In HCF, what should we do? We should write only common factors alone, isn't it? But in this LCM, you should write common factor and also write the uncommon factor also. See here, 2 only common factor. For this pair, you should write one time the 2. Next, 2, 2, 2. This 3, 2, that is uncommon. That also I have written. So downside 5 only is there. So that also uncommon. So you should write that one. Next, you should multiple all the 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10. So 8 10s are 80. That's it. See. Now we can see sum. 8 multiple 25. For 8 also they have given. For 25 also they have given the prime factorization. So see here, there is no any common for these two numbers. See here, there is no any common. So what should you have to do? You just write uncommon. So 2, this 2 and that 2. Then downside, here also 5, another one also 5. There is no any common factor among these two numbers. So we should write all the numbers, then multiple one by one. You will get the answer, that is 200. That is the LCM. So next fourth sum, listen. Find the LCM of these numbers using prime factorization. So this also you have to find LCM, but here we going to find the prime factorization. So in before exercise, what we have done? We find the prime factorization by using factor tree method, isn't it? So in this time, you're going to do LCM for finding prime factorization. See here, 10. So which number we can take? This is 10 is even number. So we can take 2 table itself. So 2 5s are 10. So again 5. So 5 1s are 5. See next 18. This also even number. So 2 table we can take. So in 2 table when you get 18, 9. So 9 2s are 18. So 9 we can take 3. So 3 3s are 9. So 3. So again we can take 3 table. 1 3s are 3. Then write the prime factorization. For 10, 2 multiple 5. So write the corner numbers. For 18, 2 multiple, 3 multiple, 3. You just take and write. Then as usual, write the common factors and also write the uncommon factors. Here 2 only common factors. So write here. Then 5, 3, 3. This is uncommon factors. That also we should write. Then as usual we have to multiple. We get the LCM, that is 90. Next D sum 15, 35. So for 15, so how will we take LCM? See the last digit 5. So we can take 5 table. 5 3s are 15. Then 3. 3 table only will come. So 3 1s are 3. Here 35. So last number 5. So we can take 5 table. 5 7s are 35. Then 7 is prime number. So 7 table only will come. So 7 1s are 7. So when you're taking LCM, you should use only prime numbers alone. You know what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. You just think among these numbers. Almost you'll get the answer among these numbers. No need to think about 2 digit at all. Okay, let's see. So for 15, what is the factors? 5 multiple 3. For 35, 5 multiple 7. So see here 5 only pairing. That only common factor. Then 3, 7 is uncommon. So write the common and uncommon factors. Then you just multiply. You will get the answer, that is 105. See G sum. They given 3 numbers. So for 3 numbers also we have to take LCM. So 16, that is 2. That is what is it? Even number. So we can take 2 table. 2 8s are 16. Again 8 is even number. 2 4s are 8. 4 is also even number. 2 2s are 4. 2 also even number. So we can take 2 table itself. So we finished. 12 also same. Even number. So here also 32 also even number. So we can take 2 table itself. Then take and write the prime factor. Then you want to pairing. See here 2, 2, 2. So we should compare these numbers. So these 2, then this 2, then here also. If any 2 number is same, we can round it. Okay. So LCM. So write the common and uncommon. So this fully common. This 2 and 3 alone uncommon numbers. So if you just multiple, you will get the answer 96. Okay, remaining sums are homework. I hope you understood this exercise. Thank you, children.